Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another picker card reading. This reading is going to be all about love messages from your person. I have two piles here, green pile and pink pile. Whoever it is that you're dealing with and you want to see this reading, you can definitely see what are their messages for you. What is it that they deeply feel for you? What are their love notes for you? I have pulled out one oracle card as well for both the piles just to give you additional guidance around your love life with your specific someone as well. So before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So I'm gonna start the read with the green pile first. So yeah, let's find out what are the love notes of your person for you. It can be applicable to your ex, current, whoever it is that you want to know about. Let's see what do they want you to know. It is applicable for those of you who are or who have been in a loving relationship with one another, so just be mindful of that. So yeah, let's begin. Green pile, let's find out what are the love messages from your person. Let's start with the oracle cards first, and then we're going to tap into the messages. Let's start with the oracle cards first. Children, your love life is being affected by children. For some of you, maybe either you have children with different partners, which could be affecting your love life right now. Maybe your person has children with other person in their life, which could be the reason why they are unable to break free from that connection and come towards you. For majority of you, I feel like it's more of your childlike attitude which does affect the connection the wrong way. You and them, maybe, a child is stubborn. A child is somebody who doesn't see a thing through things before they say something. So maybe it's more like, your attitude and your person's attitude, which is very immature, that needs to change to have the stable kind of life that you desire in your love life. So for majority of you, I feel like, your love life is affected by childlike attitude. But yes, for some of you, you might be having children with other people, which could be the reason why your love life is not going the way you would like, you would want it to go. So maybe you can figure things out with your children if they are the one who are stopping you to pursue your love life with another person. Whatever the case is, maybe you need to figure things out with them. Let's see more cards here. Follow your heart. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. If you really want to make anything happen, you always find a way out of the current circumstances. So listen to your heart. It will guide you through the right path forward. What can you do in this particular situation? Think about the options, opportunities, possibilities, rather than thinking of what is not working well for the two of you in this connection. That's going to help you a lot. Resolving the connection issues that you might be facing right now. New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams to the fullest passionately. I feel like, if you are in separation because of the fight that you picked up with your person, because of the way things are not moving forward, I feel like, a new beginning is definitely coming in for the two of you. So make sure you live your love life with the fullest passion that you can think of. Let's see the messages now. Let's see what do they want you to know. Can you forgive me? I feel like, the love that you have for each other is very strong. It's just that you don't think, they don't think. You say words, they say words, and then you feel bad. So they really want you to forgive them. Don't pressure me, please. But at the same time, they really want you to know that you are pressurizing them in one way or the other. Maybe you're asking them to commit or do this or do that. Maybe in that situation, you just need to give your person some time and space to make up their mind theirself, rather than pressurizing them is never a good option to choose, because it's just gonna spoil the inner peace that you have within this connection, which is going to make this person run away from the connection as well. At times it does happen. Short-tempered and aggressive. It can be you, it can be the both people involved in this connection who are aggressive and short-tempered, and maybe that's the reason why you are acting always like a child. You say things and you feel bad, then you hold back, you fight, you come back again. So it can be that as well for some of you. I am holding myself back purposely, but I love you. So they definitely love you, but then because of the current circumstances get so out of control for them, they do hold themselves back from you. I believe we are destined to be together. That's what they believe in. They believe that you and them are destined to be together. So no matter what happens, you both love each other so deeply that things will work out eventually. But yes, you have to try to not act like a child and try to fix things up. The things that keeps on coming back between the two of you, creating issues for the two of you, maybe you can deal with it in a mature way. You are so special to me. I might not say that to you direct. You are so special to your person, but they don't feel expressive about it. I feel like, a person could be somebody who's very mature in the way they deal with it. Maybe you are the one who is very immature, or maybe they are somebody who's unexpressive. I needed space. They really want you to know that they needed space. And I feel like, it's more of a future self message to you. They right now need space. If you could give them the space, trust me, they would love you more than that you can even imagine. I love you more than I ever loved anyone in my life. So they do love you so much. I am focused on the other things. Give me time. Again, the same message. I feel like, your person really needs some time. They really need some um, time to figure out things, to figure out their life right now, especially if they have kids with the other person. Then they do have to say it's easier to just stay away right now. At times they feel that. It feels like, sometimes they feel like maybe it's easier to stay away right now until unless things are figured out, rather than like, picking a fight, arguing with each other over and over again, over the same things again. So it's better. Maybe staying away is a better option at times. They feel so as well. I know I could have treated you better, but it seems like, they do have their regrets around the way they treat you. But they I don't know, it seems like, they seem to be kind of, tied to a situation where they are unable to think through things straight away. Please don't take that personally. It's not about you but me. This person really needs their time and space right now. Don't pressure this person, because I feel like, this person does feel bad for doing wrong to you, but at the same time, they can't do much about it right now. I can't stop looking at your picture. This person really does look at your pictures. Maybe you send them message, they look at the messages too, but then maybe they don't reply you back at times, and you make that makes you kind of, question even if they love you or not. Like, those kind of things. I feel like, this person does things purposely right now because maybe they have not much to give to you, so just be mindful of that. But yes, this person really have love for you for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose the green pile. Let's move on to the message piles, love notes from your person. For the pile pink, let's see what is it that your person really wants you to know. It can be applicable to ex, current, whoever it is that you have had a loving relationship with. So let's find out what is their message. But before we dive there, I would start with the read with the oracle cards first. Let's see what are the oracle messages, oracle guidance for you for your love life, before we dive into the message cards, love notes from them. Trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Whatever the current circumstances are in your love life, it's very important for you to believe in the divine timing. I feel like, everything is going to work out for the two of you if you believe in the divine timing. Maybe for some of you, you need to surrender the situation, whatever is happening, just surrender it to the God that you believe in and see things coming to fruition for yourself. For others of you, you might be, the universe might need you to be more open to trust people, heal from the past, and then trust what is there for you, rather than, questioning everything. Let's see more cards here. Look inside yourself, examine what is causing you to feel this way. For some of you, you might need to heal yourself from the past hurts. That's the reason why you are unable to trust new people. You are unable to trust the person that loved you. Maybe you have lost them because you could not trust them. Or maybe you are currently dealing with this person, but you find it very hard for you to trust them. So again, trust, have faith, work on yourself, build your confidence if that's what is lacking. Look inside yourself and you will find all the answers that you need right now, rather than it. I feel like, it's more about you, not the other person. New opportunities. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. I feel like, for a majority of you who chose the pink pile, it seems like, you really need to let go of the negative thoughts around your love life. Be that with the same person or be that with somebody else that you might have had in the past, and it does create a lot of stressful thoughts in your mind that you really need to break free from. And until and unless you do that, I feel like, situation might not change for better for the two of you in this connection. So hold on. So it's very important for you to understand that to have a smoother path forward in your love life, you really need to trust yourself. You really need to believe that yes, you are worthy of the love that they are showering upon you. You have to dissolve the unwanted thoughts there, fearful thoughts, the negative patterns. You have to just let them all go. Let's see the messages from your person now. Let's see what are their love notes for you. Let's find out. If and when I am ready, I am marrying you and only you. This person will marry you and only you, whether you treat them right or not. But I feel like, this person is going to marry you. For some of you, maybe it's your energy. Maybe you want to take your time before you decide for yourself about this person that you are dealing with. Maybe it's high time that you let go of the trust issues and trust this person. Trust me, you will be happy that you did. For some of you, maybe it's maybe your person needs to trust in you and give you the chance. Maybe that could be the case for some of you as well. If that's the case, they really want you to know if and when they are ready, they will marry you and only you. Right now, maybe they need some time to heal from the past relationships. I need to pull away for now. I feel like, a person really is not ready and prepared for a loving relationship. Maybe it's their issue there. Maybe they are finding it hard to trust you and your intentions around them. Maybe they feel like, they are scared, they are unhappy. So maybe these messages are for your person, because maybe they need to heal, and they are not healed from their past hurts. That's why they are unable to give you what you desire. They are not fully giving into the connection with you. You have been in my dreams lately. You have been on their mind lately. You have been in their dreams lately. But then this person is very scared of giving into a connection right now with you, even though they think about you all the time. That's what they are saying. I think about you all the time. But then they have to get fearless around it. They are right now not giving into the connection for sure. Whoever it is that you are dealing with, they are scared. They need to trust you, the situation. They need to heal themselves as well. They do maybe have some lack of confidence as well. Be patient with me, please. They really want you to be patient with them. They want to marry you, but maybe it's like, you will have to wait for them to heal first. My love for you is growing stronger and deeper. Even if they are pulled apart from you right now, even if they have pulled away from you right now because of their fears, just know that this person is falling in love with you, and whether you are with them or not, they are feeling deeper and deeper for you now. So just believe and just go with the flow. I can still feel you. I feel like, for majority of you, maybe it's a person that you have no communication with, or somebody that has pulled away from you recently, or maybe you did so. But this person can still feel you, like, they love you so much. But this person is definitely fearful around commitment. I have been keeping an eye on you online to see what you have been up to. Yep, I feel like, this person is definitely somebody you have pulled away from, maybe. And this person is definitely keeping a check on you as well. They don't want to lose you, but at the same time, they are not ready to commit to you as well. I wonder if you could have a new beginning. At times, they do wonder if they could have a new beginning with you. But then they get fearful. So it's more of the inner conflict. Like, they want to be back with you, but then they feel like, can we have a new beginning as well? Then they do feel like, can I actually give into this connection or not? The grass was not greener on the other side. For some of you, maybe they felt like, pulling away is going to help them understand, help them to move on, maybe. But they were wrong. The grass was not greener on the other side for them. It wasn't how they felt it would be. Without you, they are not happy. So I feel like, this person is definitely in love with you, but then yes, they do have some blocks to get rid of, which are definitely mental, emotional. So yeah, until unless they do so, until unless they trust their love, feelings, emotion, heart, they won't be able to give in to the connection with you, is what I'm picking up. But yes, if you want, you can heal their heart by sending them love energy. You can use affirmations to fill their heart up with love for you as well. You can use visualizations as well to fill this person's heart with lots of love, removing the fear out of their heart. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, or if it helped you in one way or the other to know the person's heart a bit better, then do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read or any of the services that I offer, check the description box for further details on that. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.